My dear wonderful talents, welcome to you all to Sri Guru Sindra College Bhatkal digital learning platform. We are in Bridge Course. As I said earlier, it's a wonderful concept to connect your PU and degree. Today we can discuss something new topic. It's become very interesting. You are in BBA first semester, right? So BBA, it's a Bachelor of Business Administration. The term business has become very important, and the entire 3 years is generally focused on related to business. ಈ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ದಿಮೆ ಇದರ ಕುರಿತು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, there is a term called economics. Business and economics are very important. It is correlated. So what is the connection between these two subjects? You can see here picture Gautam Buddha. How we can able to connect Buddha and business or economics? In this session, we just discussed about what is economics. Then we can connect economics with the business, right? So now we can just discuss about the emergence of economics and fundamentals of economics. Then we can correlate it with business. Then what is the connection between economics and Gautam Buddha? Buddha said, for all the disappointments, all the issues or the problems, the main reason is desire, right? So ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸೆಯೇ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಕಾರಣ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ we have n number of desires. These desires we can divide into three halves, three different parts. One is basic needs, second one comforts, and third one is luxuries, right? But every human being, we have n number of desires. Basic needs is mandatory, it is very essential, but comforts and luxuries, whenever we have increase our income, obviously our desires are again increased. There is no limits for desire. ಆಸೆಗೆ ಪರಿಮಿತಿಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಪರಿಮಿತವಾದಂತಹ ಆಸೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಆದಾಯ, ಇದರ ನಡುವೆ ಸಮತೋಲನವನ್ನು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಅದುವೇ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್, right? So for example, in our childhood days, we stick on 3-tire cycle, then we have upgraded 2-tire cycle, then gear cycle, then small scooty, then bike, then car. See, there is no limit, right? ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆಸೆಗೆ ಮಿತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಮತೋಲನವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಟು ಅರೈಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್. The balance between unlimited wants or desires and limited resources, right? So human wants are always unlimited, but resources are become very limited for every consumer. So we try to satisfy these unlimited wants with limited resources. We have tried to get best choice. It is called whichever uh, resources, we have get alternative uses, or once we buy one good, we will try to choose on the basis of alternative uses, multiple uses, maximum satisfaction from a one good, because we have very limited resources, right? So another side, our wants are unlimited. If we want to fulfill one want, correct, it's not ends, the new want will arises. So that's why it's a common issue or the problem for every human being. Unlimited wants, limited resources. We will try to have alternative uses to balance this, manage this. The concept what economics has arisen. So already we have classified our wants, our desires, necessities, basic needs, comforts and luxuries. Right? There is no limits for this list. So necessities become very important, but comforts and luxuries, we are every time lagging because our resources is lagging. So we will go with the choice, best choice. To make the best choice, we need economics. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಫೀಸನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತೀರೋ, ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರೋ, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರೋ, how will utilize this 100 rupees? So on the basis of best choice, on the basis of requirement, need, we will fulfill one of wants. The rest may have to be suppressed. Or once we get more income, then we can try to fulfill that. From 100 rupees we can't fulfill all these wants, right? Hagagi, to make the best choice, the concept for economics has arisen, and it's the what you call fundamental of economics also. We will able to choose right want. That economics has become very important. So to meet all our wants, resource means vitamin M. What does it mean by vitamin M? Right? Vitamin M, money. So we have limited resources, we have limited money, or better to say limited earning, but we have unlimited wants. So here, how we can able to increase our income? One side we will try to see, we can't suppress the wants, but another choice is we have to increase our income, increase our resource. How we can? That also we can learn in economics. So here it is a major role of economics. ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾದ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ, ಪರಿಕ್ರಮ, ಅಪರಿಮಿತವಾದಂತಹ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಮಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಂಪತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆದಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಳ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. These are the questions, these are the problems we can solve it very easily with the help of economics, right? ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಮುಂದುವರಿದ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.